Jordan Brand continues to blend legacy and innovation with the fall 2025 release of the Air Jordan 5 Tokyo, returning September 27 for $215. This isn't a direct retro of the 2011 original but instead draws from the legendary yellow toe sample that surfaced during the initial design phase. Initially launched to celebrate the Tokyo 23 flagship in Japan, this fan-favorite silhouette has become a grail in sneaker culture. A modified sole and updated detailing bring a fresh twist to its iconic identity, confirmed by official images recently leaked via Nike's backend. The Tokyo theme made a brief appearance in the 2020 What the AJ5, but the 2025 iteration gives it solo billing and renewed focus. Though not an exact remake, the design still pays tribute to the original spirit while inviting a new generation of fans. The bold yellow colorway ensures it'll stand out as both a nostalgic nod and a future-forward flex.